Hey guys, Jenny PRD, registered dietitian and nutrition expert. Thanks so much for checking in. This video is all about iron needs for ages 9 to 50. Before I get into that, I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you are notified first when I upload new videos on Mondays and Thursdays. Make sure you say hi and comment below. Let me know of any different nutrition tips and tricks you want to learn about, and a quick shout out to my Fat to Fit weight loss group on Facebook. So iron needs ages 19 to 50 for men is 8 milligrams per day, and women is 18 milligrams per day. During pregnancy, it's 27 milligrams, and post-pregnancy during nursing is 9 milligrams. So iron is a critical component for our diet, and there's two main sources that we get from foods. There's heme iron, which comes from animal products like meat, chicken, fish, and seafood. And there's non-heme iron that comes from plant sources. So whole grains like whole wheat pasta, whole grain bread, whole grain crackers, and oatmeal, nuts and seeds, beans and legumes, spinach, dark leafy greens, as well as fortified cereals, dry cereals, as well as hot cereal like cream of wheat or farina. Those non-heme iron sources or plant sources of iron require vitamin C in order to be absorbed. So foods rich in vitamin C are strawberries, cantaloupe, red and green peppers, Brussels sprouts, potatoes, and citrus fruits like lemon, limes, and oranges. Iron is critical. It's a major component of our hemoglobin, which makes up our red blood cells. And what happens is iron attracts oxygen to these cells and helps carry it all throughout the body. Pretty cool. And studies have shown that diets low in iron can lead to developmental problems and behavioral problems, as well as iron deficient anemia. So iron deficient anemia is a reduction of red blood cells. And again, those red blood cells are what helps bring all that oxygen throughout the body. So a quick tip for you is limiting coffee and tea during meal times because they contain tannins, and those tannins reduce absorption of iron. If you're unsure if you get enough iron in your diet, check with your doctor before starting a multivitamin and make sure you check the label to see how much iron it contains. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. And a quick tip, we need those higher iron needs during menstruation because of that blood loss. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned.